Okay, in this question we are given the equation 4y equals to 12x cubed plus 2x squared. Next, we are given that is a plot of y over x squared against x. So in order to change it into a straight line in that form, we need to manipulate this equation, and we get y equals to 3x cubed plus half x squared by dividing 12 by 4, and then we divide again by x squared to obtain this. Y over x squared equals to 3x plus half. So when y out of x squared is plotted against x, as we can see from this equation, the m, or the gradient, is 3, and the corresponding y-intercept is half. So let us look at it in the form of a straight line equation where y is equal to 3x plus half. So when y equals to 0, that means that the x-intercept, 3x will be equals to negative half. X equals to negative 1 out of 6, which is the coordinate that we require of r. Negative 1 out of 6 and 0. Next, we can find the gradient from the given line, because we know the gradient is 3. Hence, using the coordinates as given, so p, which is the y coordinate, minus 0, which is the coordinate of r, divided by 1 minus negative 1 out of 6, which should give us 3. So by solving for this, we get p equals to 3 times 1 and 1 out of 6, and hence the value of p is 3.5. Next, we want to find the value of alpha, which is the angle. So firstly, let's find the distance from r to the y-intercept of the straight line. So using the distance formula, we get the difference in the x coordinates square plus the difference in the y coordinates square, and we square root it, and we find that the distance is actually 0.52704, but we just leave it in this form first. Hence, the cosine of alpha, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse, should give us 1 out of 6, because the distance of r from the y-axis is 1 out of 6, and the distance of the length of the hypotenuse we just found. So by finding the angle alpha, we get that it's actually 71.6 degrees, correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, using simple trigonometry ratios. Next, we want to find the value of the x-intercept of q. So with that, let us find out what's the gradient of PQ first, because we know that the PQ is actually perpendicular to the straight line. Hence, we can say that the gradient of PQ is actually negative 1 out of 3. So from there, we can find the equation of PQ by simply using the coordinate of P. So y minus 3.5, which is the y coordinate of point P, and negative 1 out of 3, which is a gradient which was found, times x minus 1, 1 being the x coordinate of the point P. So simplifying it, we get the equation of the line PQ, and substituting y equals to 0 because we want to find the x-intercept, and we have 1 out of 3x is equals to 3 and 5 out of 6. Simplifying it, we get the value of the x-intercept to be 11.5. Hence, the x-coordinate of q is 11.5. Thank you.